I type one sentence. Claude writes the strategy, compiles it, backtests it on real tick data inside MetaTrader5, and then tells me the probability that strategy passes a $200,000 prop firm evaluation before I've risked $1 in fees. 2 weeks ago, this machine got its biggest upgrade yet. 88% of all months in my data produce at least one new funded account. Average time to pass, about 15 days. On autopilot, that's roughly two $200,000 funded accounts landing every month. No rule breaking, no martingale, no gambling. Today, I'm showing you the machine, the new AI model running it, and how to set up the same pipeline yourself. If you're new here, my name is Zenom. I trade 100% algorithmically, zero manual trading. Around $4.9 million in funded capital across prop accounts, over 1 million euros of investor capital backing my verified strategy on DarwinX, and every payout and every fee tracked publicly in my dashboard. In my last MetaTrader video, I showed you how Claude backtests strategies autonomously. This video is what that pipeline was built for. Here's what forced the upgrade. My meta framework, the EA that runs all my strategies with every prop firm's rules coded in, is over 9,000 lines of code. I tried working on it with other AI models, and they choke. They lose the thread halfway through the file, they fix one function and silently break another. Then Anthropic released their new model class, and I rebuilt the whole research pipeline with it. The difference isn't that it writes prettier code, it's that it can hold the entire system in its head. The strategies, the firm rules, the tick data pipeline, the validation, and reason about all of it at once. 2 weeks of non-stop work later, the eval passing model was complete and deployed. And to be clear about what no rule breaking means, because this space is full of exploits that get accounts banned. Real tick data only. No hedging against my funded accounts. No overlapping trades. The firm's own rules are inputs to the model. It wins inside them, not around them. Quick recap of the base pipeline for anyone who missed the MetaTrader video. I describe a strategy in plain English. Claude writes the MQL5, compiles it headless, fixes its own compile errors, configures the strategy tester, symbol, dates, real tick modeling, runs the backtest, and reads the results back as structured data. One sentence in, full backtest out. That part is old news. Here's what's new. Everyone uses backtesting to answer one question. Is this strategy profitable? Wrong question, at least if you trade prop firms. A profitable strategy can still fail evaluations over and over because an eval is not about profit, it's about geometry. There's a profit target above you, a maximum drawdown below you, a daily loss limit, and a clock. Touch the wrong wall once and you're out. No recovery, no second chance. The math name for that is an absorbing barrier. So the question my model answers is different. Given this strategy's exact behavior on real tick data, its win rate, its losing streaks, its daily swings, what is the probability it passes a specific firm's evaluation, and how many days does it take? Watch. One prompt. Claude takes the backtest, replays it through the full evaluation lifecycle, phase 1, phase 2, resets, fees, thousands of times, across every month of historical data. Pass probability, average days to pass, cost per funded account. This is what you should know before you buy a single challenge, and almost nobody in this industry has ever computed it. Now scale it. 10 strategy ideas, multiple firms. Claude runs the entire grid overnight, and here's the trick that turns decent odds per attempt into funded almost every month. You don't need one strategy with a huge pass rate. You run several uncorrelated attempts in parallel, each sized by the model. If one attempt passes half the time in a given month, 3 independent attempts fail together only about 12% of the time. Stack the attempts and the months covered compound. Run the full portfolio across my data, and the machine prints the headline. 88% of months produce at least one funded account, averaging about 15 days per pass, with an expectation of roughly two $200,000 accounts per month. That's not a lucky streak. That's a number computed across every month since 2018, including the ugly ones. Everything you're watching runs on tools that live in my premium community. The MT5 bridge, the NinjaTrader version, the Meta EA with every major firm's rule templates, the challenge simulator that does this exact pass probability math, and 20+ coded strategies with full source, plus the coders building portfolios alongside me. Link in the description. To run the base pipeline yourself, 5 steps. Full written walkthrough in the description and the setup prompt pinned in the comments. 1. Windows with MetaTrader5 installed. 2. Python 3.10 plus and the .NET 8 SDK for headless compiling. 3. Install Claude Code. $20 a month is enough to start. 4. Drop the bridge EA into your MT5 experts folder and note your terminal ID. 5. Paste the MCP config so Claude can see the terminal and test with one prompt. Compile and backtest this on gold. Real ticks. Last 2 years. From 0 to your first autonomous backtest is under 30 minutes. The eval probability layer on top is what my community gets, but even the base pipeline puts you ahead of 95% of this industry. The disclaimer that keeps this honest: the model optimizes how to deploy an edge. It cannot create one. Feed it a zero expectancy strategy, and it will schedule your losses very efficiently. Edge first, deployment math second. If you don't have the edge yet, start with my strategy development video. That's the actual work. And because numbers on a screen are cheap, let's make it real. Fresh evaluation, starting today. The model says about 15 days. You're going to watch it happen or watch it fail in real time. Either way, you'll see exactly what the machine saw when it made the prediction. Two things before you go. In my last MetaTrader video, hundreds of you commented portfolio, the video where I build a full uncorrelated portfolio with this pipeline is coming, so subscribe so you don't miss it. And if you want the deep math of what happens after you're funded, including the stat that shocked me, 77% of funded accounts die before their first payout. Comment FastPass below. The eval was never a talent test. It was a math problem. Now the math has an engine. Good, more for us.